Tips to avoid or delay diabetes. Diabetes is a lifelong condition. Try to avoid or at least delay this condition using these tips. Tip number 1. Obese are at a greater risk of developing diabetes. Try to take your BMI below 25. You can try any app from Google Play Store to find out your BMI. Ideal body weight for men is 65 to 70 kg. For women it is 55 to 64 kg. If you are heavier than this, plan to lose some weight. Tip number 2. Exercise and indulge in physical activity more. Those who exercise and do physical activity are at a lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes than those who are lazy and shake workers. Tip number 3. Make water your source for hydration. Avoid artificial sugary drinks, sodas, energy drinks and colas, which contain carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide and excessive sugary ingredients are harmful not only for pancreas but for our kidneys as well. So, try to avoid these artificial drinks. Rely on natural juices and, of course, plain water. Tip number 4. Minimum use of sugar in daily food items. Less consumption of sugar or sugary items help pancreas work leisurely. It does not put pancreas under heavy load. Tip number 5. Eat to live. Do not live to eat. Those who have big meals are at a greater risk of developing type 2 diabetes in their lives, especially if they have the habit of staying away from physical exercise and work. Tip number 6. Research studies show that smoking increases the risk of type 2 diabetes. Smokers are advised to stay away from smoking. Tip number 7. Spending most of the time in sedentary position leads to the risk of type 2 diabetes. We should develop the habit of physical exercise and try to have a break in order to relax our body and walk a little bit if we work at a place where we have to sit for long hours. Tip number 8. Deficiency of vitamin D leads to greater risk of type 2 diabetes. To be in the sun or having sun bath, especially in the afternoon, really helps our body produce vitamin D. Tablets from a pharmaceutical company can also help if deficiency of vitamin D is seen in a person. Tip number 9. Anti-inflammatory natural products like turmeric increase the efficiency of cells and insulin does its work perfectly. The use of natural products like turmeric does great benefit. So anti-inflammatory things should be taken in order to make the work of human body cells effective. Now it's time for tip number 10. Persons who are under constant mental pressure or tension are at a greater risk of developing type 2 diabetes than those who aren't depressed. Folks, try to relax and calm your nerves. If required, a psychiatrist can be taken help from. Please share this video with friends. It will help them in taking them away from the dangers of developing type 2 diabetes. I request you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with friends because sharing is caring. Thank you so much for listening to me.